Good afternoon. Time to recap our trading in the bond, and we had a good day. We envisioned a trading range, and we wanted to sell 7s to 11s. The high was 12 on that first rotate up. We had hoped to buy 21s to 25s. Said it might take a 29 to get it, and that turned out to be the case. Just standard trading. Retest failure right here. Trade gave us 2. Mean green trade, or this B, gave you 10 if you traded it perfectly. Mean green trade right here just gave you 6, working the way up. A retest failure trade here, if you traded it perfectly, or those 2 S's, gave you upwards of 9. A retest failure off this low right here gave us 3. This S gave us 2. This buy gave us 3. This retest failure was a scratch. We move our stop to break even on the 3rd bar. This buy gave us 10 if we traded it perfectly. This retest failure off the top gave us 6. This S gave us 4. This retest failure, which is the trade of choice off the bottom, gave us 7/30 seconds. This retest failure trade right here gave us 4. This retest failure trade gave you 14 if you traded it perfectly. Nancy's tweezers, or a retest failure on the high at 14, gave you just 1. This buy was a scratch, and this retest failure V top or S, depending on which trade you got in and how you got in, gave you upwards of 8 if you traded it perfectly. So we had really a pretty good day trading, all things considered. 0 losers. So 16 trades possible for 64 30 seconds. We only take 6 30 seconds when we're right. There are a lot of trades on that screen that are bigger than 6 30 seconds. Today we were fortunate. We had 0 losers. That's usually not the case. Usually we print 2 to 3 losers. So great day trading, $2,000. Hey, this stuff's for real. It works. We want you to come take a look at us. We're not blowing you smoke. We give you 5 free days in the main trading room where you get to see me and the software operate live, real time. You'll get most of your questions answered in those 5 days. Enough of them answered to see whether our service is right for your trading needs or not. Looking forward to seeing you in the main room where we trade crude, gold, the euro, 30-year bond, 10-year note, and the E-mini.